Hey guys, it's Becky from thecookierookie.com, and today we are baking all of the Thanksgiving side dishes so that you know how to make them and you're feeling confident and ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas. This classic corn pudding recipe is one of our staple recipes that is always on our Thanksgiving table, and for good reason. It's super simple, it doesn't have any box mixes, which is rare for me, but I promise it's still a super simple recipe. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. We're gonna start by whisking together our dry ingredients, which are sugar, salt, baking powder, and flour. We're just gonna do a quick whisk to mix those all together. This is basically in place of a lot of corn pudding recipes. We'll use a box cornbread mix or something like that. This is just a quick, easy way to do it at home, and you know exactly what's going into the food that you're feeding your family. See, I promise it was easy, right? Okay, now we're gonna mix together the wet ingredients, which include eggs. Let's crack these real quick. Melted butter. Give these a whisk before we add the heavy cream just to make things a little bit easier. And heavy cream. This recipe also doesn't have any cheese in it, and it really doesn't need it. And if I say it doesn't need cheese, you know it really doesn't need cheese. It's really good as is, and I just love the way it pairs with so many great holiday dishes. So while you're getting your eggs nice and smooth, you can go ahead and add the sugar mixture right into your egg mixture and just whisk everything together. I actually forgot to add the red pepper flakes, so we'll sprinkle a couple of those in as well. Just adds a little kick to an otherwise super simple recipe. So I will actually sprinkle those in now. A little goes a long way. Once that's nice and smooth, we're just gonna add our corn directly to this mixture. This is 3 cups of corn. You can use frozen corn, canned corn, fresh corn. I love that it's so easy. Whatever kind of corn you like best, we did a mixture of white and yellow kernels. And just stir everything together. We're gonna pour this into a sprayed baking dish and cook it, and we're ready to serve. This is also a recipe that you can cover and refrigerate for 24 hours in advance, making your Thanksgiving, Christmas, or Easter that much easier the day of. We've also made this recipe adding bacon crumbles. You can add more red pepper flakes. You can customize as you go. I love the bacon in it, but today we wanted to keep things super classic. If you're making it ahead, be sure to give it a quick stir before you pop it in the oven the next day. We are ready to cook, and we're ready to eat right after that. Classic corn pudding is ready to add to our Thanksgiving table. Hop over to thecookierookie.com for the full recipe.